Hello viewers, today we are going to prepare sweet potatoes for breakfast. You can see I have my ready peeled sweet potatoes. They're looking clean and ready to be cooked. I'm going to prepare this for my family. We have for ingredients, we're going to have two chopped onions. We'll also need a tablespoon of coconut cream, and then 4 grinded garlic. We're also going to have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and then we'll also use Dhana jeera. You're going to use Dhana jeera. You can use any other brand, but I like Nature's Own spice mix. We'll use a tablespoon of that. We're also going to use 3 boiled fresh blended tomatoes. As you can see, it's ready. And then what we need to do is to heat our gas cooker. We are going to heat our oil. Well, you can use 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. We heat it for a few minutes, and then we can add our onions. I think now the cooking oil is ready. We can add our onions. So you're going to cook these onions until they turn golden brown. As you can see, my onions are turning into golden brown, so we can add our garlic. Then we stir. Then we are going to add a tablespoon of jeera, Dhana jeera. Then we mix it together. This will give it a nice aroma and taste. Now you can see all my onions are golden brown. The garlic is ready. Dhana jeera is ready. We can now add our blended tomatoes. Fresh onion, fresh blended onion. Then you can add a quarter cup of water before we add some salt. Quarter cup of water. Then we stir. We don't want anything to burn there. There we go. Then we can add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Tablespoon of tomato paste. Then we add a half a cup of water. Then we stir together. We mix it together. Then we are going to add our peeled sweet potatoes. So we're going to stir. We mix the peeled sweet potatoes together with our onions, we mix it nicely before we add 4 cups of water. You can see the mix is coming out nicely. Okay, now we can add 4 cups of water. Then we stir together. We mix it properly before we add a tablespoon and a half of salt. Now Now we can add our tablespoon and a half of salt. Mix it together and we leave it to cook for 30 minutes before we add the coconut cream for the coconut taste. So we can cover it to cook in a moderate heat for 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes should be ready. There you go. Now you can see our sweet potato is almost ready. We can now add our coconut cream. Then we stir it together. Just to give it the coconut flavor. Then we are going to leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and then it should be ready. We're going to serve it with black ginger tea. You can leave it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Should be ready by then. You can see now my potatoes are nicely cooked. The thick soup ready to be served with hot black ginger tea. Very delicious. You can see the soup is thick. All the flavors have blended in very well. So we leave it to cool and then we can serve with our black tea. Now our sweet potato is ready, served. You can see it's quite delicious. You can have these with hot black ginger tea to start your day. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.